So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use autoflow in Figma. So guys, if you want to use the autoflow in the Figma, so guys it is very easy. For this guys here, first I am created some diagrams that I need to connect with the autoflow option. So first I am go select this rectangle, again select this rectangle, one rectangle, okay, one more rectangle, okay, and there is one more circle. Okay, now after that, after creating this guys, you go for the option of action. In the action you simply search the auto flow. Now guys, here you see the auto flow is not visible here, so you simply click the option of plugin and widgets. After that, click the option of, here you see around 1 million user with 13.k hertz. Okay, so you just click on it, and here you see autoflow is free up to 50 follow profiles, intelligent object detection, and it shows all is uh, importance. Okay, now guys, here you see that autoflow is loading. Now you simply go, you just, here you see autoflow is now paid plugin with new set of features like path routing, next level, and the shape. You just click the option of got it. Now here you first you choose the line. If you want to change the line, so you just go here and go here. Okay, and for increasing and changing line, increasing the height, width, then change the style. Okay, and here is you also get the shapes. Okay, now what you do, if you want to connect two um, um, images like particles like in your project, okay, for this guys you simply first select the first one, then press shift and select the another one. Okay, and fill like another one. Okay, now guys, here you see there is a flow is generated between my two devices. Okay, so this is the way that you connect. Means when you connected two diagrams and the two flowcharts, so you need to hold your press or hold the shift button to connect both of them. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.